Tracker 12. We track storms.
Good morning and happy Easter, everyone. Storm Tracker 12 meteorologist Kevin Roth here. Being that it's Easter, you know, we've got these thunderstorms that we see just about every Easter. Started off in 1999 and 2000, back-to-back years with tornadoes. And since then, it feels like every year around this time, we get the strong thunderstorms rolling through. Started off yesterday. Again, today we've got those storms. A severe thunderstorm watch is in effect for the western half of the Arklatex, just about all of East Texas, McCurtain County, Oklahoma, parts of southwest Arkansas as well. Notice northwest Louisiana, not in that watch. But if you switch it over to the higher risk area where we could see severe storms, it's basically the entire Arklatex. And because of that, I'm expecting that watch, which is mostly for East Texas, to be extended later in the day and moved into northwest Louisiana. I really think there's a good chance that every county, every parish sees a severe thunderstorm watch here within really the next couple hours. I think they'll update that. So let's get back to these storms. Remember, yesterday it was 2 individual storms. Today it's a strong line of storms moving through, which means straight line winds are going to be a higher concern and hail is going to be a little bit less of a concern, although we could see a good amount of both. It's this leading edge of the line that I'm concerned about. Back behind that, it's some light rain. This is nothing. But that leading edge is where we could see winds 50, 60 miles per hour. Of course, all the lightning strikes that you see dotting this, stretching from really Idabel, Oklahoma, all the way down through parts of deep East Texas here, tracking off to the southeast, so just about everyone's going to get a good shower here. We also have a severe thunderstorm watch in effect. That goes until 8:15, so that's about to expire. I expect that they're going to extend that as well. And I wouldn't be surprised to see the whole front end of this line getting dotted with these severe thunderstorm warnings because of that wind and hail threat as we go through the next few hours here. Notice here's your hail tracker. And yesterday we had bright pink showing up. Today a little lesser there. We're seeing those yellows and oranges. Still certainly some hail in this system, but not the kind of hail that we saw yesterday where it was piling up to people's ankles. We won't see that much hail because of the nature of these storms. What we do have is plenty of heat. 64 degrees in Marshall, 62 Texarkana. That's not hot, but it's hot enough to sustain thunderstorms even as we went overnight, even as we go through the morning hours. When you've got warmth and humidity, and we have both of those things, these thunderstorms have all the fuel that they need as they move through the Arklatex. And that's why I think everyone is going to see these storms. I don't expect they're going to die out. Here's Future Track. By 11 a.m., this line of storms really parallel with I-30, strongest in East Texas. That's where most of the instability is. As you head through southwest Arkansas, we still do have a line of those showers, but not the severe weather that we're going to see through East Texas. That line will continue to track east and southeast as we go through the late morning and early afternoon. By the lunch hour, 12:30, starting to move into that I-20 corridor, Shreveport-Bossier. And a lot of people, of course, have outdoor plans. You want to get outside, you want to have that Easter egg hunt. You might want to be moving that inside today just for safety's sake, because it could get a little bit nasty here, especially with those strong winds and small hail. By 5 o'clock, that line still pushing through, still pushing south in the Arklatex. Now, by noon, we're going to have our watch canceled, but this is when I think they extend it so that everyone sees that watch, even the southern portions of the Arklatex, Hemphill, Natchitoches, seeing some of these little purple bullseyes here where we could still see severe weather. Once we get into the evening, things really start to die down. Just a few showers left by 9 o'clock. So if you're looking at the timing of this rain, here we go, really ramping up as we head towards 10 a.m. and noon. After that, we start to dwindle back down for the evening hours and clear out. So your forecast today is, of course, stormy, as it tends to be on Easter. Yet again, a high of 73 degrees. The temperature's great. It's just the storms that we have to worry about. We do clear out for Monday, and then by Tuesday we bring back in the rain. And the rain sticks with us there as we head through the middle of the week. And today I've got it at a 60% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Some of those could be severe.